Hello, learners! In the topic of algebraic expressions, today we will talk about the expansion of the expression a plus b times a minus b. So, our aim in today's video is to determine the expansion of the algebraic expression a plus b times a minus b. So, let's consider the expression a plus b times a minus b. Now, by distributing a over a minus b and putting the plus sign, then distributing b over a minus b, we can write it as aa minus ab plus ba minus bb. Moreover, it can be rewritten as a squared minus ab plus ab minus b squared. Now, by canceling both the middle terms, we left with a squared minus b squared. Hence, we are done with the expansion. At last, we have that a plus b times a minus b can be expressed into a squared minus b squared, which is our third fundamental algebraic identity. Now, let us see one application of this identity with the help of an example. The example is asking us to simplify 8x plus 3 times 8x minus 3 with the help of above identity. By taking a equal to 8x and b equal to 3, then by applying the above identity, we can write it as 8x whole squared minus 3 squared. After solving, we get 64x squared minus 9, and we are done. Thanks for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial. We will meet in the next video.